If you want to understand how modern war is actually fought between the United States and Iran, you need to stop looking at missiles and start looking at the sky. On February 22nd, something expensive disappeared. A $200 million American surveillance drone, the MQ-40 Triton, was flying over the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most sensitive pieces of geography on Earth. This wasn't a weapon, it was something far more important. It was an eye. The Triton flies above 50,000 feet, watching everything: oil tankers, naval fleets, radar signals, missile movements. It can map millions of square miles of ocean in a single mission. It tells Washington what is about to happen before it happens. And then, mid flight, it sent a signal 7700, the universal code for emergency. Within minutes, it vanished from every tracking system on Earth. No debris, no confirmation, no explanation. Now, here is where the real story begins. Because this region is not new to this kind of disappearance. In 2019, Iran shot down a US surveillance drone in the exact same waters. And since then, the game has evolved. This is no longer about shooting things down, it is about control of information. The United States doesn't dominate the Middle East with troops, it dominates with awareness. Satellites, signals, drones, it sees everything. And if you can blind that system even for a moment, you don't need to win a war. You just need to create uncertainty. Because the Strait of Hormuz is not just water. Nearly 20% of the world's oil flows through that narrow passage. Every ship, every route, every movement, watched, tracked, predicted, unless the system breaks. So what happened to the drone? There are only three possibilities. It failed, it was taken, or it was neutralized, without leaving a trace. And that last option is the most dangerous. Because if Iran can jam signals, disrupt communication, or even hijack navigation systems, then the battlefield is no longer physical. It becomes invisible, electronic, deniable. And here is the part nobody says out loud. The United States cannot respond easily to something it cannot prove. You cannot retaliate against silence. You cannot strike ambiguity. So instead, both sides stay locked in a shadow war where nothing is confirmed, but everything is understood. This is not about a missing drone. This is about a test of whether the most powerful military in the world can still see clearly, in a region where even its eyes can disappear. Stop watching the explosions, watch what goes missing. Welcome to the Unseen Markets.